I'm Ashton Addison from EventChain for Investment Pitch Media and the Crypto Coin Show. And today on Blockchain Interviews, we have Hsuan-Ting Chu, the CEO of Furucombo. Hsuan-Ting, welcome to the show, and thanks for taking the time to be here today, man.
Hi, Ashton. Thanks for having me. It's good to be here.
I'm really excited for our discussion. There's a lot of interesting things going on right now in the DeFi space. Specifically, if we could just start off with a breakdown of what exactly is the focus of Furucombo and what are the problems that your team is solving for.
So Furucombo is trying to simplify the DeFi, and then we want to make sure that when everyone wants to hop into DeFi, they know how to start and where to start.
Yeah, well, decentralized finance has been a huge growth industry inside of blockchain throughout 2020, exponential growth, but it still seems that it's really early stage, and there's a lot of investors that are proficient in cryptocurrency but have yet to dive into DeFi. Is there some problems in the industry or friction that you noticed, and that those are the solutions that you provided for Furucombo being created?
Yeah, I think how to step into the DeFi space. It's mainly the problem. That's why a lot of investors are investing in our company because we do really simplify the DeFi. For example, if you want to swap a stable coin, swap a Ether to a stable coin, and then supply to a lending platform, you will have a lot of choices. You can swap your tokens on like Uniswap, Kyber, Bancor, but they all have different concept or different user experience or different requirement for you to use it and to get the token. And after you get a token, the next step you will say, oh, okay, well, which lending platform should I use? Should I use Compound, Aave, or should I use other platform? And the same problem happens again. They all have a different user experience. And also the DeFi's concept is a little bit hard for people to understand, and they need a lot of like technical requirements because you will have to set up your MetaMask, your ledger, and then blah blah blah, and then try to verify, try to approve the transaction. So it's a little bit hard for like normal people to I just want to experience it. I just want to make my money bigger. Why is there so many challenging? Yeah, so I think this is the main problem that we are solving. We try to unify the user experience of using DeFi, and then we try to provide as much as information to the users, and also try to educate them and try to guide them to the right protocol or chat service that they are going to use.
Definitely. And now you're focused on user experience, which I think is really a really good factor for adoption. Is that really the goal of opening the DeFi space? I think right now it's 0.5% of people that use cryptocurrency are actually involved with DeFi, which is so small. Is it really just lowering the barriers to entry, making it easier on the menus and an aggregator, or what specifically are you focusing on as a priority for the growth of the platform?
Yeah, so we have so the primary focus of the team right now is the community. This is not like a simple and normal answer, but I would say we spend around like 6 months to 9 months to build the infrastructure. So we connected to a lot of different protocols, and also we build the front end for like end users or traders to build their trading strategy on our platform. But for right now, DeFi is still like growing fast, super fast. So we need to find a way that we can keep growing the platform and then make sure we have connected to the latest protocol, and also we acquire the top talents around the world. Make sure that build their strategy on Furucombo instead of trying to learn solidity. So we want more people to know about us and contribute on the platform. So that's why we are busy working on kicking off the key components of the whole community, and also trying to build the community. Yeah, because if we build the community right, and also the community is very actively participating in the ecosystem, in the platform, I think the whole full combo platform will be still be in at the very top of the DeFi space. Yeah. So the answer would be working on the community.
Definitely. Okay, that's great. Well, it's definitely DeFi has been a community-driven initiative with decentralized governance and these decentralized exchanges really getting more volume than centralized exchanges at some points here. So I think you're right on the cusp of this transition in the industry for exchanges to move towards something where Furucombo could be very large. So I'm excited to see for 2021. Now, I was reading on your site that your platform enables DeFi combos, which has in the name Furucombo, and inspired over 800 different DeFi strategies as well. Now, this sounds confusing to people that are just like, oh, I thought DeFi was just lending money and getting interest on money. So can you talk about what does that mean for combos and DeFi strategies that you can do on Furucombo?
Yeah, so what we mean a combo is, okay, so this is a little bit confusing. So combo is our token name, and also it's how we call trading strategy. So we call, you can use that combo on Furucombo. That means you can use that certain trading strategy on our platform. So why should people use combo or the DeFi is not just about swapping and lending. It's about a lot of things. That's why we have 800 different trading strategies. So the easiest way to use or to try DeFi is to swap your stable coin or maybe swap your Ether to DAI on Uniswap. That's the easiest way. I'll suggest everyone to try it. And after you swap the Ether to DAI, you can swap to lending protocol. But not just the easiest way, because a lot of people are trying to compare DeFi and traditional finance. What's good about DeFi? What can they do that traditional finance cannot? I'll say DeFi provides the efficiency and low cost and also permissionless. So everyone around the globe, if you want to get like higher interest around like 5% or maybe like USDC 8%, that's they have they follow the rules in the USA, so it's pretty safe. You can try DeFi, yeah, because we lower the a lot of cost. But DeFi is not just about swap and then supply to lending platform. It's a lot of things. You can build your position using Compound, using flash loan, and then try to move your APY from Compound to Aave, or maybe you can short DAI on a DeFi space within just one platform, which short DAI is a pretty famous trading strategy, which is only on Furucombo if you don't know how to code. Yeah. That means, let me explain about short DAI. So short DAI is, I think this is pretty easy for everyone. So DAI is a stable coin, but this stable coin is really popular. So during the DeFi summer, which is very a hype in last summer, a lot of people are trying to use DAI to invest in the DeFi project. So DAI's demand is really high, so the price goes high. So it's from like $1 to 1.03. So at this point, you can start to short DAI because DAI will finally go back to $1. Like for example, right now, right? It's the season is still very hot, but not so many people are using DAI. So when you are when the DAI is unpacked from $1, you can use our short DAI combo to build your position on Maker. And when the DAI goes back to 1, you can just do the reverse one. We have another combo, it's a reverse trading strategy, and then they will give you some profit. Yeah, so on DeFi, they are just not swapping and lending. It's not just about spot trading. It's about I'll say it's programming. Use your imagination. Try to just like writing an article. You can write whatever you want, and then you will have different results on every different article. Yeah.
Definitely. That's really interesting, Chu, and thanks for elaborating on that. There's definitely a lot of different strategies, and I'm sure there'll be more to come on your platform as well, as we're still in the early days. Now, I want to talk about one of your recent achievements, your team recently raised 1.85 million in seed funding. So congrats on that for Furucombo. Can you talk a bit about some of your partners in the raise and if they'll be acting as strategic partners and advisors as you continue to grow?
Yeah, I'm like really exciting that we have these people on board because I wrote this on Twitter. It's I say it's not about how much we raise, it's about who we cooperate with. Because I think in crypto space, people to get funding is easy, but choose who you want to cooperate with or who want to cooperate with you. It's important. So we have investors like 7X, Defiance, 1KX, Multicoin, and Aave Stani, and some other angel investors. So I think why we choose to cooperate with them is because they all have different angle of thoughts on certain things like DeFi or crypto. And I think this is very important is because DeFi is just at very early stage. It's just beginning, and then we need to make sure that it's not just one single thought. So when I and my team and I are working on this, we might have we share the same value or we have a same thesis. But these investors, they all have different theses. So when I talking to them during the pitch or during before I pitch to them, I start to feel like I'm learning from different professors, or I'm learning from, I go to different classes, I go to different schools. So that's why I choose to cooperate with them. Some of them are, focused on the trading. Some of them are mainly focused on the NFT, or some of them are, a really deep thinker about the blockchain itself. Yeah, and another thing is that they mostly they located in different area. I know crypto is a universal or it's globalized, but I think still different location VC, they will have a different culture, and also they will have a different network. So that's why we choose one country, not one area, one VC, and then try to make sure our connection and our thesis, our thoughts, it's very globalized. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. And you do have quite the diversified range of strategic partners.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to seeing the next steps for Furucombo because I know that you have more in the works. Now, to talk about towards the future, with that raise completed, what is your team's primary focus right now, with the money in the bag?
Yeah, so we focus on three things. So first thing is aggregator needs a lot of people because we connect to a lot of different DeFi protocol, such as we are upgrading Aave V2, 1inch V2, and Uniswap V3 coming up, and a lot of different protocol they are trying to upgrade. So we need to take care of this. So first, we are going to expand our team. So we are hiring in Taiwan, in Asia, of course, in globally. DeFi never sleep, money never sleep. So globally hiring. And second thing is security. We care about security a lot, like seriously security. So we test everything in our environment and then we ship it. And we are going to audit our smart contract system like every 3 months, like whole system audit, like Open Zeppelin, 12 bits that are going to help us to audit our system. Make sure that we are very, very safe, especially our protocol, our platform is for like entry user or the normal user. They don't care about like are you going to what did you do? They just care about my money is safe or not, right?
Yeah.
They don't spend too much time thinking about this is DeFi, so I should have patience about this. I might lose money, so I will blah blah blah. No, they just need like you should compare to like Chase Bank or the bank in my life. It's super safe. So second, security. The third that we are going to focus on is our product. So we have team, we have security, and then we have money, we have an investor, now it's product. So we are going to release our V2, but a lot of people are asking about what is V2 or when will V2 be online? The answer is pretty simple. V2 is not a date that we're going to release certain software. V2 is a direction, it's a vision. It's a where it's a direction that where we are going. So V2 we include some topics that we want to solve. The first one will be uh, the premium feature. So a lot of feature. So the whole full combo is free right now, and that is because that we want to test the market and we want to try make sure that people can try to feel the composability of DeFi without paying anything, since the gas fee is already high. So we're going to have some premium feature. And the second, we are going to have a feature called Pool Combo. So Pool Combo is something like a Y Vault or something like a Harvest. It's just like everyone can become a fund manager, like on eToro, right? Like a social trading. So if I'm a top trader, and other people, they don't want to spend time research about DeFi trading strategy, they will just put money in my vault, and then I will help them to invest in different trading strategies. That's our pool combo. And the third thing that we are going to focus is layer 2. So Ethereum is crowded, it's busy, and it's very expensive right now. So we are going to, like every DeFi protocol is trying to upgrade them their protocol to layer 2 to solve the latency, to solve the fee, and of course, as a aggregator, we connect every dots on DeFi, which is connects every protocol. So if they go to layer 2, the compatibility is broken. So we spent a lot of time like doing research and talking to layer 2 solution providers. And last thing that we are going to focus is the cross-chain. So Ethereum is crowded, as I mentioned, and we see a lot of different blockchain are growing up and then try to migrate the DeFi ecosystem from Ethereum, or they build their own DeFi ecosystem. We want to make sure that our user doesn't will not get ignored, or they can capture any kinds of market chance on blockchain. You don't have to worry about what is Ethereum, or is it on Polkadot, or what is a near blockchain. You just go to Furucombo and tell me how much you want to invest, which strategy you want to use, who's your favorite fund manager. That's it. You put in your DAI or put in your Ether, even your Bitcoin. We will help you with the rest. So this is mainly the V2 that we're going to release month by month. Like we still have 11 months this year. So yeah, V2 is the 2021 version of Furucombo.
True, that sounds very exciting. I'm looking forward to all of those updates. And for the community, you can already get involved right now. I know you have record volumes on the platform already, so congratulations to that. For people that are looking to get involved with Furucombo before V2 comes out and watch for the updates as you do roll them out, what's the best way for them to learn more and to get involved?
Just visit furucombo.app. We have a lot of documents, have a lot of tutorial video. If you want to learn more about the platform, you can just go to our document center or go to our Discord. A lot of people are helping you there.
Sounds great. I will leave those links in the description box below. Thanks so much for the time for the interview. All the best with Furucombo V2 and the whole works for 2021, and let's follow up in the near future.
Thank you. Thanks for having me here.